Welcome to KI Investing, where smart money meets smart algorithms. In this video, I'll show you how to earn up to $7,500 per month in dividends, step by step. Most people believe that only millionaires can live off their investments. But the truth is, with the right strategy, you can build a dividend portfolio that pays you real money every single month. Let's start with the basics and why this strategy is so powerful. What are dividends? Dividends are profit distributions that companies pay to their shareholders. When you own stocks in a company that pays dividends, you receive a portion of its profits automatically. Most companies pay quarterly, some monthly. And if you choose the right mix, you can build monthly income streams. The more shares you hold, and the stronger the company, the more cash flows into your account. Why dividends are a game changer? Think about this. You wake up and there's money in your account. Not because you worked, but because your investments worked for you. That's what dividends give you. Predictability, cash flow, peace of mind. You don't need to hope your portfolio goes up someday. You get paid regularly even when the market goes sideways. The big goal, $7,500 per month. So how much capital would you need to earn $7,500 per month from dividends? Let's assume an average dividend yield of 5%. That's realistic if you combine quality dividend stocks and REITs. $7,500 times 12 equals $90,000 per year. At a 5% yield, that means you'd need about $1.8 million invested. Sounds like a lot? With reinvested dividends, monthly investing, and long-term growth, you can reach that much faster than you think. The compound effect. This is the secret sauce. Reinvest your dividends. Don't spend them. Use them to buy more dividend stocks. Those stocks pay you more dividends. You reinvest again, and again, and again. This creates a snowball effect, where your money starts growing faster than your salary ever could. That's how real wealth is built. What you unlock with dividends. When your dividends cover your expenses, your life changes. You can choose when and if you want to work. You have time for family, fitness, learning, or travel. You stop trading time for money and buy freedom instead. Passive income from dividends isn't just about money. It's about control over your time and pride in your journey. So now you understand the power of dividends. In the next part, I'll show you 3 real-world stocks that pay strong dividends, including one that pays you every single month. Let's build your income stream with real examples. Coming up next, smarter investing starts here. See you in the next part. Now that you understand the power of dividends, let's look at 3 real companies you can invest in right now to build consistent monthly or quarterly income. These are not speculative penny stocks. These are reliable dividend payers with strong track records, solid business models, and consistent cash flow. Let's get into it. First, Realty Income, the monthly dividend company. Sector, Real Estate Investment Trust, REIT. Dividend yield, approximately 5.6%. Payout frequency, monthly. Realty Income is a legend in the dividend world. It owns thousands of commercial properties rented out to major companies like Walgreens, 7-Eleven, and FedEx on long-term contracts. What makes it stand out? It pays a monthly dividend and has done so for over 630 consecutive months. Example, if you invest $200,000 in Realty Income at a 5.6% yield, you would earn around $11,200 per year. That's about $933 per month in passive income. And they've raised their dividend over 120 times since becoming public. Second, PepsiCo, a dividend king. Sector, consumer staples. Dividend yield, approximately 2.9%. Payout frequency, quarterly. PepsiCo is more than soda. It owns huge brands like Lay's, Gatorade, Quaker, and Doritos. It's a dividend king, a company that has increased its dividend every year for over 50 years. This stock offers stability, brand strength, and a long-term dividend growth track record. Even during recessions, people still buy snacks and drinks. KI Investing, your edge in investing. Third, Main Street Capital, high yield with monthly payouts. Sector, Business Development Company, BDC. Dividend yield, approximately 6.8%. Payout frequency, monthly. Main Street Capital invests in small to mid-sized businesses, providing them with capital and taking equity stakes. In return, it earns strong returns and distributes a large portion of profits to investors. The best part? Monthly dividends. And unlike many high-yield stocks, Main has a strong balance sheet and a history of raising its payout. Example, with $180,000 invested at 6.8%, you'd receive about $12,240 annually, or $1,020 per month. Summary of the three stocks. If you invested $200,000 in realty income, approximately $933 per month, $150,000 in PepsiCo, approximately $362 per month, $180,000 in Main Street Capital, approximately $1,020 per month. That's a total investment of $530,000, generating approximately $2,315 in monthly income, completely passive. And this is just with three stocks. Imagine what happens when you expand to 10 or 20 well-selected dividend pairs. These three stocks are just the beginning. In the next part, I'll show you exactly how to build a complete dividend portfolio from scratch, avoid common mistakes, and start your journey toward financial freedom through dividends. Smarter investing starts here. See you in part 3. Now that you know which stocks to start with, the next step is building your full dividend machine. Let's break it down step by step from $0 to $7,500 per month in passive income. Step 1. Set a monthly investment target. Start where you are. You don't need to invest hundreds of thousands up front. Even with $500 per month, you can build real momentum. Let's say you invest $500 every month. That's $6,000 per year. With an average return of 8% annually, dividends plus growth, your portfolio could look like this. After 10 years, approximately $90,000. After 20 years, approximately $275,000. After 30 years, approximately $680,000. And this doesn't even include extra income or raises you'll get over time. Just stay consistent, and your wealth will compound. Step 2. Reinvest all dividends. This is where the magic happens. Every time you receive a dividend, don't spend it. Reinvest it immediately. Buy more dividend stocks. Those pay more dividends. Repeat. This creates the compound snowball effect. Your money earns more money every single month. Eventually, your dividend income becomes bigger than your job income. That's financial freedom. Step 3. Build a diversified cash flow focused portfolio. Don't rely on just 2 or 3 stocks. Your endgame should be a dividend portfolio of 15 to 20 companies across different sectors like real estate, realty income, consumer staples, PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, energy, Enbridge, Chevron, business development, Main Street Capital, Ares Capital, utilities and telecom, AT&T, NextEra Energy. Also, pick companies that pay at different times. That way you receive cash every single month, not just quarterly. Tip: some investors build 12-month dividend calendars to smooth their income flow. Avoid these 3 common mistakes. First, chasing only high yields. A 10% yield can be dangerous if the company is financially unstable. Focus on sustainable dividends with growth potential. Second, overloading one sector. Don't put all your money in REITs or energy. Balance your portfolio across sectors, ignoring taxes. Dividends may be taxed differently in your country. Use tax-advantaged accounts where possible, like IRAs or Roth IRAs in the US. Your $7,500 per month goal, as we calculated earlier, to earn $7,500 per month in passive dividends, you'll need around $1.8 million invested at a 5% yield. Sounds huge? Let's break it down. With $1,000 per month investing and a solid return, you could reach this in under 20 years. With $2,000 a month, much faster. And if you already have a large capital base, you're even closer. The point is, it's possible. Millions of people are doing it, and you can too. What you gain? Once you hit that $7,500 a month in dividends, you unlock a new life. Travel anytime. Spend time with family. No alarm clocks, no boss, just freedom. Passive income equals real wealth. And remember, even if you never reach $7,500 a month, even $500 or $1,000 a month can dramatically change your lifestyle. Final thoughts. Start with what you have. Be consistent. Reinvest. Stay patient. This strategy isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building true financial independence that lasts a lifetime. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. KI Investing, your edge in investing.